Just by placing this leaf in the corner of your house, you will kill all the cockroaches in your house. When entering an unknown house, the first thing one does is to see and detail the interior of the house. This includes hygiene and order. As such, this is a mechanism to determine the personality of the person who owns the address. So this means that if your guests see your house messy, it will immediately affect the way they see and consider you. With all this, we want to say is that if your home is in a poor state of hygiene, will affect your personal life. This famous degree of hygiene includes the fact that there can be no presence of insects that suggest a presence of poor cleanliness or lack of hygiene. Cockroaches are one of the main inhabitants of places where there is plenty of organic waste or garbage, so having cockroaches in your house reflects that it is poorly cared for and you are a careless person. Perhaps you have tried to use insecticides, but these can be highly dangerous, since you can intoxicate inadvertently, or worse, you can intoxicate your children, your wife, or even your dog. So we recommend that, if you want to maintain the environment of your house with pure air, put aside these toxic chemicals and spray, and do what we tell you next. Repeat cockroaches permanently. There is no better insecticide than the one that comes from natural things. However, due to its effectiveness and little risk in the home, these are usually very expensive and almost never get. So we suggest you read this carefully, as we will give you the solution so cockroaches will never set foot on your house ever again. The leaves are called laurel and is the enemy number one of the cockroaches, because by the simple smell, these are not approaching. For this to work, we must place the laurel throughout the house, covering each corner with leaves of this plant. Remember, that must be in every room of the house, so that they do not take refuge in any place.